of N-Switch icons.
Wait, what? What icon?
Minecrafted.
Not really. I haven't seen anyone use Minecraft icons in a long time.
Look at like half of the Tartarus completions.
But that's that's really old. Like all of the old Tartarus stations, maybe. Also, I know fucking Wolves uses icon similar to Minecraft.
So does Zamasu.
Oh yeah.
Wolves uses Minecrafted icons, but with the N-Switch cube, and then Zamasu uses Wolves icons, but with white as the secondary instead of light gray.
They both use glow,
So-
right? I mean,
Yeah, they both use glow. Old N-Switch icons were really similar to Minecrafted's because they use the same ship and glow, but then he was literally talking about how like glow made levels like easier, and then he just stopped using it for some reason. He was like, "Oh, the ship with glow makes it like easier because you feel like you can get closer to the spikes, or you have to be like it feels like you're like trying more hard or something like that." I forgot what he explained it, but he was like, "Oh yeah, your icon seems bigger, so you'll try to avoid the spikes more," which is kind of a weird way of like thinking, but sure. Why did Lexi and Dupe why did Dupe abandon us and just call with Lexi? And as soon as I did that, I'm just not gonna respond to her.
wait, what happened?
She just spam tagging me. I'm just checking on you. Are you okay? I'm so confused. What just happened?
Okay, well, good luck to you.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Wait, what?
Bro, I'm feeling around my tongue because like something's bothering me. There's a fucking zit on my tongue somehow.
It's probably not a zit.
Well, the world's gonna know you have a zit, because I just beat Hurricane.
Hello world.
It is probably not a zit if it's on your tongue.
Or it's some sort of like sore that's like whenever I move my tongue around when I'm trying to eat, it just fucking hurts. I don't know why.
Yeah, you probably bit your tongue and then like
I'm gonna be
bump
base after base.
on tongue.
Jeff the Killer plays base after base.
Injuries, allergies, of infections can feel strange and are usually harmless.
But I'm not allergic to anything other than medicine, like penicillin.
And then it's probably not an allergy. It's probably either like you bit it hard and it got infected or something, maybe.
I mean, it's like a whitehead, like a very tiny whitehead.
Then it's like a canker sore on your tongue.
Probably.
I'm getting far.
Is there any way to like get rid of it? Like would tea help or no?
I don't know if tea would help.
Guys, I'm getting far. I'm at the ship.
Hi, getting far.
No, wait, shut up! I'm at 60! Stop! Please!
What? Why are you playing? Oh my.
Stop! Shh, please, please do this. I'm getting far. Please do this. Stop, please. Fuck!
You did not just die on base.
You did not just die there. You did not just die there. Blank.
blank